What are the insurance coverages that a digital marketing or online marketing agency needs to consider in order to properly protect their business? We're going to answer these questions and more right now. Hi, Ryan Hanley here, founder and president of Rogue Risk, where we do insurance differently, specifically by giving you knowledge and information to make the right insurance decision. If you're watching this video on YouTube, we'd love for you to smash that like button. That just helps other professionals in your space know that this video has some value. If you're not watching on YouTube, you don't have to do anything. That was a weird transition. Okay. Digital marketing insurance. So if you're a digital marketing agency, then online is your life, remote is your life. You're going to have a lot of unique concerns. You're going to have a lot of unique coverages that you need to cover. Now, as much as it may feel overwhelming oftentimes to trying to properly protect your business, there are a few very distinct coverages that you need to consider upfront to kind of set the baseline of protection for your business. There's always more you can purchase, and if you have questions around that or specific concerns, we can address those. But there are four main coverages that you're going to need, assuming that you have employees. If you don't have any employees, if you're a solopreneur, then there are really just three coverages that you must consider kind of at the outset. The first is going to be a business owner's policy. That's going to cover your general liability. It's going to cover any property that you need, any equipment, stuff like that. It's going to have loss of income. A business owner's policy is essentially a basket of coverages contained in one policy that most businesses in your industry need. Very, very important, and is most likely the first coverage that you purchase and should be the first coverage you purchase. Okay. After that, if you have employees, whether those employees are working in the same space as you, they're remote, some sort of hybrid or overseas, workers' comp is going to be the next coverage you need to consider. Oftentimes, digital marketing or just think more online related businesses don't think that they can get hurt. You can. Simple things like arthritis, carpal tunnel, those things happen a lot. A lot of migraine, headache, type things, depression, any of these that end up being work related or associated with work functions can come back through your business. And if you don't have a workers' comp policy, you are in a world of hurt. It is not going to be expensive for your business for the most part. So this is just a coverage, no brainer, get it done if you have employees. The two more nuanced coverages that you absolutely have to consider as a digital marketing or online SEM, whatever you're doing, SEO company, are professional liability and cyber liability. Now, for many carriers in the last few years have started to package those two coverages together, one policy, two different coverage forms, so that you don't have to purchase two separate policies. If that's the case and you can get the right coverages included, then that's a great way to go. It just reduces billing and all those kinds of things. You're only working with one company, but you may have to go with two separate coverages. Professional liability is going to cover your work, your expertise, your guidance. You set a program up and that program fails. You take marketing copy and you put it out and that copy is offensive. They get sued for it or it's copyrighted or trademarked and that comes back on the company. That's going to be your professional liability. Absolute must for digital marketing, online marketing, SEO, SEM, any of those types of companies. Absolutely a must. The last being cyber. Cyber is the attacks on your business, the attacks using your business, your name, your likeness, spoofs of your email, any of that kind of stuff, phishing scams, ransomware scams launched, from your business at your customers, or any cyber crime, so money laundering, that kind of stuff. Cyber happening all the time. I'm sure you guys look at your Google Analytics and see all the bot traffic that comes through. Not all those bots are malicious, as you know, but some of them are, and we need to protect against those with cyber in the event that an attack actually happens. Cybersecurity alone isn't enough. There is no cybersecurity that is absolutely impenetrable, and if something happens, the only recourse you have at that point is cyber liability insurance. So those are the four main coverages: business owner's policy, workers' comp, professional liability, and cyber. If you have those four, you are in a really good state to start. There may be additional things that you need, EPLI, whatever. We can talk about those, but those four coverages give you a great base. If this is the kind of relationship that you would like with your insurance professional, give us a call, 518-960-6600. We work in all 50 states, so wherever you are, we can work with you. You can visit us online at roguerisk.com. You can email us at gorogue@roguerisk.com, or I'm sure there's a button, link, form somewhere around this video that lets you contact us. Whichever way you choose, we look forward to working with you.